Hello people, welcome to Excelsior Studio. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit subscribe, and to get our notification, click on the bell icon.
Hello people, welcome to Excelsior Studio. In this video I'm going to unbox a tempered glass, means not a glass but a protector scratch guard which I have got it for my Asset Plus for front and back. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing, guys. I have got this product for like 400 something rupees. So let's take it out. I don't know what is the company of it, but it was looking nice on the cover of Amazon. Let's keep it aside. Okay, it's USA, UK, Japan, China, India. What is the meaning of this? Asset Plus, for Asset Plus clear new ELV. I don't know what is the company of. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, here we have the, okay, so this one is the front and this one is the back cover. And what else do we get in this? Okay, we have got this when you support and all. What is this about? Why isn't it focusing? Okay, let's keep it. We got these wet and dry wipes to apply it on my phone. So here I have my Asset Plus, guys. As it is, here is the front of it. As you can see, I have to apply it very carefully, guys, as you can see here. Okay, so there is another video in which I have shown how to apply a tempered glass of this Netbone company. Please go ahead and check the video in the description. So now let's clean my mobile with the help of these wipes. I will take one first wet wipe. Let's remove it. Here it is. Let's go ahead and clean the front of it. By the way, Asset and Asset Plus is water resistance, guys, so it's very nice for the Samsung lovers, Samsung fans. Now take the dry wipe. I'm just showing you how to do it by yourself at home. So clean it properly, each and every edge of it, guys. There should not be any dust on the screen. If there will be a dust on the screen, then it will catch a bubble. Here it is, guys. We don't see any kind of bubble in this, any kind of dust. So let's take I'm sorry for that. So let's take we need a scale, guys, to remove the bubbles. I will just show you the technique how to do it. need a type of plain surface to like scroll like this, guys. Let's see whether it has been rolled on at the corner or not. Okay. Okay, there are bubbles in this. I can see it. Even you can see it, guys, but I will tell you how to remove it. Now this bubble over here, just push it sideways. As you can see, I am pushing it. Take a dry cloth and try to make it disappear, guys. Yeah. Okay, here is one bubble. We don't want any bubble to come, so just make it disappear by rubbing it, guys. It will go for sure. I'm sorry for shaking the camera. Yeah. Okay, it got disappeared. This one also got disappeared. Now let's see on the other side. Here, yeah, it got disappeared. You have to just push it, guys, as I am doing it. Just make sure that you stick it at all sides. Okay, why isn't it getting here? At the top here there is not glue or what, I think, I don't know. By the way, we have got it properly. I think I have got some scratches on it, guys, but this is the front, means there is one cover on the front. We have to peel that off for that thing. So now let's peel this front cover. What just happened, guys? Where is the front one? Okay, we are getting it. So guys, here's the front of it. Okay, just move this bubble at the sides edges of your phone. Otherwise rub it, it will go automatically. Okay, so where are the bubbles in this phone now? Here. Let's take it to the corner. Oh, let's take this also to the corner. Oh, there are two bubbles at this. Yes, and this is how we have to apply the scratch guard on Asset Plus at the front, and same we have to do it at the bottom. So I will apply it afterwards. So you have got the technique. So please, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and please do subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video. Peace out.